Hi friends, welcome to Kalpana's kitchen. Today I'll be showing you vegetarian recipe and that is brown rice. This is the brown rice because of its color. I'll be giving that brown color to this rice, and this brown rice is specially prepared with dhansak. This is a Parsi recipe. So how is the brown rice prepared? That I'll be showing you today. Now the ingredients for that brown rice: 2 cups of basmati rice. I soaked it for half an hour. Then I've taken onions. These are ready fried onions here. So I'll require less time for that, but otherwise you can take 2 onions. I've taken a little bit of cinnamon and cloves. Then I'll require 2 tablespoons ghee here, salt and water. This brown rice, they call it because of the color. And how do you get the brown color to our regular basmati rice? Is by caramelizing. Now I have taken 2 tablespoons sugar here. To this I will add 1 tablespoon water and I will caramelize it. And that caramelized color I will add to my rice, which is enjoyed with dhansak. Okay, so let's get started. We will start with the caramelizing the sugar. I have taken this 2 tablespoons sugar here. I will add little water, say 1 tablespoon, and let this caramelize. In the meantime here, I have taken this vessel in which I am preparing my brown rice. I will add 1 to 2 tablespoons of ghee here. I have kept for 2 cups of rice, you require 4 cups of water. So I have already heated the water here. So it will be nice, easy to cook the rice faster. Here I have taken 2 tablespoons ghee here. Okay, the ghee has melted. I am adding cinnamon and cloves to it. Now this is the onion I was telling you. You get this in the market. It's crisp fried onions. So you require less time here to fry. I'll be just adding all this onion, lightly frying them because they're already fried, and then removing some for garnishing. So here goes the onion. Now as the onion is already fried, it takes less time. I use it a lot. It's very good for preparing biryanis where you need a lot of onions. So see, I've lightly fried it, it's ready. Now I will just remove little bit from here for garnishing. So I'm removing for garnishing some. Fine. Now here I will add my rice. This is basmati rice. I think only basmati rice, I don't know what they use. If I'm preparing something, I'm having guest over, then I use basmati rice. Otherwise I use kolam regularly. So here goes the rice. In the meantime, this caramel is setting here. You can see the color. So you can see this caramel, it's done. The color, what you require for the rice is ready. I'll just put off the flame and this hot water. See this? This is the color you require for the rice. I'll add this to my rice. The water is taken with measurements, okay? For 2 cups of rice, I've taken 4 cups of water. So here goes the water. Oh, I'm getting a lovely caramel smell. And yes, salt as per taste. Now let this rice cook on high flame. I've kept high flame. When it's half cooked, I will reduce the flame. And then simmer it for another 5 minutes and your rice is done. Now I'll just cover this. Okay, let's check with the rice. I kept this on sim for some time. It's ready. Can you see this? The brown color has come. The rice is nicely cooked. The onion is also cooked. Okay, you can see the rice is all done. I will garnish this with the fried onion that I've kept, little onion for garnishing. Okay friends, you've seen the brown rice. It was so simple. It's like a regular rice, just have to add a little caramelization. That's all. And this rice is a must with your dhansak. Whenever you're preparing dhansak, for vegetarians, try with the vegetables or chicken dhansak or mutton dhansak and you will enjoy this. Okay, so friends, if you've liked this video, do subscribe to my channel and share my video with your friends. Friends, you know I'm always available on Facebook and I have my Gmail account. So you have any doubts, you can always call me, or you have any difficulties, which I know many are already doing it, and I am responding also immediately, right? Okay, so bye friends. I'll be showing you a typical Pathar Prabhu recipe, and that is badamachi poli. Keep it on high because we just want this color. There's nothing to be cooked here, right? See, now this is done. This is how your mutton practice will look. Fine?